This is a short video to recap the charges or oxidation numbers of elements on the periodic table. Remember the location of metals and non-metals on the periodic table. Metals are to the left of that blue staircase line, and non-metals are to the right. First, let's look at monovalent ions. The metallic elements in groups 1, 2, and 13 are monovalent, which means that they form only one type of ion. They form positive ions or cations. So elements in group 1 will always form ions with a charge of +1, with the exception of hydrogen. Remember, hydrogen can be H plus or H minus for the hydride ion. Elements in group 2 will always form ions with a charge of +2, and the metallic elements in group 13 will always form ions with a charge of +3, so boron, not being a metal, will not be included there. Then the non-metals in groups 15, 16, and 17 are also monovalent, but they form negative ions or anions. The non-metals in group 15 will form ions with a charge of -3, the non-metals in group 16 -2, and the non-metals in group 17 -1. Let's now look at the multivalent cations. Since they are cations, they are positive and they are from metallic elements. Multivalent means that they form more than one type of ion. For example, copper can be copper with a charge of +1, or it could be copper with a charge of +2. So where are these multivalent cations located? They are from the elements in the D block of the periodic table over here. There are 3 exceptions in the D block. Zinc is monovalent with a charge of +2, cadmium also +2, and silver +1. So these are not multivalent. Then if we go to group 14, the 2 multivalent elements you need to know about here are tin and lead. Those 2 are also multivalent. Finally, in group 15, we have antimony and bismuth. So these are all the elements you need to know that could be multivalent on the periodic table. So there you have your summary of the oxidation numbers of monovalent and multivalent ions.